Alabama has changed the law on attempt to flee and elude. What used to be a misdemeanor under some circumstances now can be a felony, which is a much more serious criminal offense. So what used to be a misdemeanor can now potentially land you in prison. So if a person flees from law enforcement, whether it's on a car or on foot or in any other way, they can face a felony charge depending on the circumstances involved. So if a person runs from the police, whether again on foot or in vehicle, and nobody gets hurt, it's still a misdemeanor. But if somebody in running causes an accident, causes somebody to be hurt, or if they cross state lines, this becomes a Class C felony, meaning that person is looking at from a year and a day to 10 years in prison. So, Johnny who steals a jar of mayonnaise from the Walmart on a misdemeanor case, but flees and crosses into Tennessee, now he's looking at going to prison for up to 10 years. Or, Jimmy who, steals a can of Coca-Cola from the Walmart, runs out the door and knocks over some old lady who, injures herself, scrapes her knee or something. He's now looking at a felony because he called injury, assuming, again, the police are after them, when he is attempting to flee or elude. Now, if somebody gets seriously hurt or if they get killed, then that person is facing a Class B felony, and a Class B felony carries 2 to 20 years in prison. Most likely, if somebody got hurt or killed when somebody's running from the police, there would probably be additional charges of some nature, whether manslaughter or whatever. But that charge alone, if somebody is injured or hurt, would be a B felony. If you're in some sort of a legal jam here in North Alabama and you'd like our help here at Siegel & Siegel, just give us a call. The phone number should be down here below. I'm attorney Andy Siegel. I hope you find these videos to be helpful and informative and all that stuff. Thank you for watching.